Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stats Wizard. In my previous video, I've explained the calculation of median for individual observations. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the calculation of median for discrete series, that is when x values and frequency values are given. So you can find out an example here. Locate median from the following. Size of shoes are given as well as frequency values are given. So the size of shoes 5. So there are 10 people who belong to the size 5 and 16 people 5.5 size, 28 people whose shoe sizes are 6 and 15 people belong to 6.5, 30 people for 7, 40 for 7.5 and 34 for 8. So now we have to locate the median. Now first step what you have to do here is, so we'll prepare a chart again. So we have to write the x values and frequency values which are already given. So that is 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5 and 8. And the frequency values are 10, 16, 28, 15, 30, 40 and 34. So this is the given problem. Now we have to locate median for this. So case number 2, we know how to solve this. So the formula is cumulative frequency greater than capital N plus 1 divided by 2. So this is how we have to find cumulative frequency greater than capital N plus 1 by 2. Now to calculate this, we know what is capital N. Capital N is total of frequency. First we will find out this. So capital N is total of frequency. So when you add all these values, that is 10 plus 16 plus 28 plus 15 plus 30 plus 40 plus 34. So the total is 173. So this is the total of frequency, that is capital N value. Now we have to find out whether the cumulative frequency is greater than N plus 1 by 2. So to find out this, first we have to calculate cumulative frequency. Now how to calculate cumulative frequency? So keep the first frequency as it is 10, because we believe that the previous value is 0. So 0 plus 10 is 10. Next 10 plus 16 is 26. This is how cumulative frequency. Cumulative means adding up. So you have to keep on adding the frequency. I'll explain once again. First value is 10 as it is because we assume the previous value is 0. So 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. 26 plus 28 is 54. 54 plus 15 is 69. 69 plus 30 is 99. 99 plus 40 is 139. 139 plus 34 is 173. So this is how the cumulative frequency should be calculated. So we have written the x values as it is given in the question. We have written the frequency, then we have calculated capital N by adding all the frequency values. Next we have calculated cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency calculation, I hope you understood now. Now we have to check whether this cumulative frequency is greater than capital N plus 1 by 2. We'll write it here. So cumulative frequency greater than capital N value, how much we got? The total of frequency 173 plus 1 divided by 2. That is, we have to check the cumulative frequency greater than 173 plus 1 is 174 divided by 2. That is 87. So we have to check cumulative frequency greater than 87. Now what you have to do? We have to go back to the cumulative frequency column and check the value which should be greater than 87. Now find out which value is greater than 87. 99. So cumulative frequency which is greater than 87 is 99, and the corresponding value of the variate gives the median. So you have to write it here. Cumulative frequency greater than 87 is 99, and the corresponding value of the variate is x value. The corresponding value of the variate gives median. Therefore, median is equal to 7. How did we get this? We have to check the cumulative frequency value which is greater than 87. So greater than 87 is 99. In the cumulative frequency column, the value which is greater than 87 is 99. The next immediate value is 99, and the corresponding value, that is the value which is corresponding to this cumulative frequency value which is greater than 87 is 99, and the corresponding value of the variate is x value, gives the value of median. Therefore, median is equal to 7. So this number is repeated maximum number of times. That means this is how the median should be located. So median value is 7 here. Now let us take one more example. So x values, frequency values. Now you can observe they have given calculate median from the following distribution. Again, by observation, this is case number 2 because x values and frequency values are given. So we'll write the x values as it is: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the frequency values are 2, 5, 8, 9, 12, 14, again 14, 15, 11, 13. So I have written as it is the x values and frequency values. Now my next step is I have to check whether the cumulative frequency is greater than n plus 1 by 2. Already in my previous video I have given a chart for calculation of all the three, that is mean, median and mode. So in that I have given median case number 2 should be calculated by using this method, that is cumulative frequency should be greater than n plus 1 by 2. Now I have to calculate capital N by adding all the frequency values. Now if I take the total of these frequency values, that is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 14 plus 14 again plus 15 plus 11 plus 13. So I've got a total of 103. This is the value of capital N. Now my next step is I have to check whether the cumulative frequency is greater than n plus 1 by 2. Before this, first I have to calculate cumulative frequency. In the previous example I have shown how to calculate. First value remains same, that is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. 36 plus 14 is 50. 50 plus 14 is 64. 64 plus 15 is 79. 79 plus 11 is 90. 90 plus 13 is 103. So the last value of the cumulative frequency gives the total frequency value, that is capital N value. Okay, that is also a clue. Now I have to check whether this cumulative frequency is greater than n plus 1 by 2. N value is total of frequency, that is 103 plus 1 divided by 2. So cumulative frequency greater than 104 divided by 2. So 104 divided by 2 is 52. 52 plus 1 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 divided Now I have to check this value which is greater than this value. So in the cumulative frequency value, the value which is greater than 52. So I have 50 here. So my higher value is 52. It should be above 52. That is 64. And the corresponding value of the variate gives the value of median. So cumulative frequency greater than 52 is 64 and the corresponding value of the variate gives median value. Therefore, so the corresponding value which is greater than 64 is 10. Therefore, median is equal to 10. So this is how the median should be calculated for case number 2, that is when discrete series are given. So I have explained this second case, that is discrete series, for calculation of median using 2 examples. I hope you understood this particular example. So keep practicing so that you'll understand better. So any doubts or clarifications you need, kindly comment. So if you understand the problem, kindly like and share among your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.